Guys, I am in Kroger in Dallas, Texas, and it's gigantic in here. First of all, they got a sushi bar. I'm trying to talk close up on the phone because the music's playing, and I don't have nothing over it. So, they got a sushi chef. My daughter loves sushi. I don't mess with the raw fish. And then they got a lunch menu. And a newspaper is buy 5, save $1 for every 5 things you buy up in here. This is like fantastic. Look at that. I'm trying to see what else I can see. Dessert. They got a dessert. Oh my God, they got a mango pie. Lord have mercy. And it's $3.99. Woohoo! That look just like the Food for Less sign. Food for Less is a sister store of theirs. It's their sister store. So, a lot of fresh fruit in here. A lot of fresh fruit. Let's see what kind. Oh, okay, so let's see. Are we over here with the Miyoshi ice cream? I like the tea trees. Okay, so I like the mango ones, these, and I like the green tea one. So I'm gonna see if the kids want to taste this. Let me see what else. They got a chocolate sundae one, and one called a ripe strawberry. So I'm gonna get those 5. And those are called Miyoshi ice creams, which are wrapped in basically pillory dough. Ice cream wrapped in dough. That's what it is. So let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm walking you all basically through this Kroger. It is beautiful. Like, first of all, they got deli counters everywhere. Murray's. This is all cheese. All cheese. Look, the Grace is a good deal. So, I didn't think they looked that good though. The watermelons, for this to be Texas, they got some little watermelons. Fruit. Heirlooms. Look at that. Okay, let's see. And this is all they tomatoes they sell. Wow. Like, you cannot go wrong up in this store. But I like more exotic fruit, so I want mangoes, I want peaches, I want kiwis. Let's see what they got. Let's see if we can find anything. Okay. Bananas. We need to think of bananas. Just a little one we're going to grab while we're here kicking it. And I don't know. I was just say I forgot what these are. Palmettos or some little bitty fruit. Kiwis. Okay, these are passion fruits. Look at that. Kawali melons. Whoa, I ain't never tasted that before, guys. Pepino melons. I never heard of those. And I definitely don't know what this is. Well, I forgot these. These are like tiny oranges. I'm going to get some of those. So, we're going to get some oranges. Let's see how these strawberries look. Strawberries is pretty decent size. But the cherries, I like Rainier's cherries, and they don't have any. That's what I really like. I like the Rainier cherries. Let's see, how much are they? They're $2.99 a pound. That's actually cheap compared to Illinois. Like, I like blueberries. So let's see. These is $2.49 for or 2 for $4 on the card. So we're gonna just get one of these and to pay $2 for them. So over here they got all of the pears, Bartlett, Box, Red or Juice, Asian, and Juice. Here's the peaches right here. They got the white flesh peaches, and they have the nectarines. That's the yellow flesh. They're 87 cents. And Carly, come collect some of these up. So we staying at an Airbnb basically, and we trying to get up all of the fruit so we could at least have breakfast in there in the house. So you got the jar ghettos that's 5 by 5, and they save it all, so they're $1.49 a piece. Good deal. Oh look, these 99 cents by 5. Get a dollar, these 99 cents. Now you all know I won't be buying anything because I cannot get home with it, right? These $2.49 save 50 cents if you buy 6 of those. My mother loved these. Buy one, get one. And how much are they? Buy one, get one pasta. I think they're $1. And then the ranch dressing is the same, Kraft dressing, 99 cents if you buy 5. See, this is a bigger bottle at Dollar Tree. They little, so sometimes you gotta watch what you're buying. The Snapple is 10 for 10. Usually, kind of like the same deals they've been having, which is good. Here, let me show you all these cereal. If you buy 5, they're $1.79. But why would we do that when we've been getting them for 50 cents at Dollar Tree? Don't forget Dollar Tree, guys. We've been getting them from there. Oh, Arizona 77 cents. Don't buy those because Walgreens, aka Wags, got them 2 for $1. So let's go down this aisle and you will see that the cereal, let's see what they got on sale down here. I know I'm moving kind of quick, but the music playing, I got something up to the phone. I was coming down here to check to find some stuff. See the Nature Valley, $1.99. We got a 50-cent granola bar, but I don't think that's a good deal. I mean, wait till they go on sale and be 99 cents. Then you got it going on. And again, guys, I like to come in and comparison shop because, I mean, you could have got Cheerio for 50 cents at Dollar Tree. You have to just learn how to weigh your options. I mean, $1.79 to 50 cents. Come on. Sometimes your kids got to eat a little different. It's okay. Oh, so this is new to KROGER. The 3-minute microwave pizza, 10 for 10. So that means 10 for 10, they're $1 each. Okay, doesn't matter if you got 4 of them. They still $1 each. Now look at this here. We don't get this coupon. We get this coupon, but we don't have a store here. Tillamook, $3.99. And if you had the dollar, that's $2.99. Okay, we down to pasta and sauce aisle. Like the Rositti's, that's 10 for 10. Remember, it's $1 if it's 10 for 10. So, you know, sometimes people will take it away and say, oh no, that's 75. No, it's $1. It's $1. It's always $1. Make sure you comparison shop. So this was a problem. See, they covered it up. Those was 10 for 10, but they covered it up and said sorry for the inconvenience. Oh wow. So they must have figured out it must have been a good deal going on. They was getting gypped. So they probably was like, oh, let's take that apart. So I really like you all. Like, I am so stoked to be in Stoker. But look at this guy, KROGER, 10 for 10. If you need tomato sauce, grab it. That's a good deal. And see, people always say, I can't eat that for tomato sauce. No, what you need to do is learn how to dress it up. And then you could eat it. Because look at that. The pizza sauce too, 10 for 10. Like, I dress up my tomato sauce, my pizza sauce, my sauce with spaghetti. I never just leave it to what they buy. So let's go down. I want to go down a aisle with, this is drinks. Okay, we're going down a laundry aisle where it looks like it's a big deal on laundry detergent. So let's see what they're doing. Okay, that's $6.99, $5.99. Okay, so those gains are $5.99, and we do have a gain coupon coming out. These are $2.69. Buy 5. If you buy 5, they're $2.69. Then with the other dollar coupon, they're $1.69. So that might be a good deal. And then let's see. So I saw somebody with a lot of Tide. The Arm & Hammer, $2.69. Look like they grabbing that. They might have coupons that we don't get though. So let me see something. Is that a snuggle? That's a snuggle coupon, and I'm looking for it to see where it is at. If they got it, we got that $3 off snuggle, but it's Airwick. You might can get them for $1.49. I think you can. So at one time, Kroger must have ran out of everything, because that's actually what that sign say. We'll restock it. Oh, okay. Oh, well, that's nice of them. Let's go down the tissue aisle, then I'm going to catch back up with my family. Oh, see, we don't have this. This what we don't have, guys. And our Food for Less. We don't have this right here. See that? We don't have any of that. They got all of this. All of it. I'm jealous, because they got, like, stuff we don't have. So you can go here and buy shampoo, body wash. You come here and get a lot of stuff. Pardon me. Oh, sunscreen lotion. We need it. 340, let's see, 30. I need SPS 30. And that's $3.99. That's much better than Carpetone $7.99. But this is a good one, $3.99. So we're gonna grab this one along with all the junk, other junk that I picked up that didn't really amount. But see, the lotion is gone. So they must have a big sale on the lotion. Even their tags look different. Look at their tags. Those look different. I'm looking for the Dove body wash. Okay, let's see. I don't see it. I'm looking for it. Hold on. Look, they even got a nice little travel section. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, guys. They do not have a, what is that? A body wash section. So I need this. We need to get this. We got the Downy. Let me see, what else did I need to get? Oh, I need some for these legs. Baby, this ain't gonna work. Bingo, here's the body wash. Look at that, 2 for $5. If you got to that sale before that was off, they was $1. You can use those dollar coupons and get through that. Okay, so we're gonna see. I don't think they got it. So, pardon me. Oh, they back here stocking back here. Oh, look, they got Hostess Twinkie cereal, they 99 cents. But they got a whole little section back here, just all cheapies. Okay, so they have a Simple Truth tissue. They got it. They have the Simple Truth tissue. And oh, that spray is loud. Wow. Okay, now they see this Kroger has everything that's on that app. They actually have it all. That's what it is. And it's crazy because I'm looking for the stuff and they don't have it. So I'm looking for my daughter now. Let's see about their toothpaste. Okay, buy one, get one 50% off. We got all of that though. Pads, same thing. Wow. 99 mouthwash. Look at that, $9.99. We paid $13 at the store for it. So, go figure. Oh, here's the rest of the body. $5.99. So there's this $5.99 for the Dove. And then, let me see. Do they have a Dove men's? Now, if they don't have a Dove men's, you can get a Dove. You can get. Let me see. They do have a Dove men's. It's $4.99. So that's a better deal. God, they getting theirs for much cheaper than us. But if they don't have a Dove men's, you also could get the Dove bar soap. But you gotta offset it with, like, if you do 5 Doves, you have to do 4 bar soaps. That's how you have to offset it. Okay, guys, let me show you all the Kroger sign. Because the girl went in Kroger and did some Kroger Texas shopping for you.
Oh, you know, clean quick.
Let's see. Let's see. See, it's called Signature, but they're going to sign Kroger. But it's Kroger Signature. So apparently this is not the big Kroger. This is like a signature Kroger, but we are at an Airbnb around Dallas. So we might be at the university one. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this. Hit like, subscribe, and I just want to take you all on my adventure of finding a Kroger in Dallas. Bye.